this is the intermedialis. And then at the back of the necklace is the hamstring besides your popliteal artery. No? So when you do the exercises of the quadriceps, you have to first class assess the arm. Aron na relax ang abdomen ni client, you should have to place the arm on the top of the abdomen. Then class, the client class is hanging their heel, kani hanging ang heel. Then ikaw caregiver, you have to push the knee aron nga ang strength na adiri sa iyang paa, no? So pag push ni client sa iyang kini, then yan yung birahon most of the power in the quadriceps. Okay. So in a count of 3 seconds, you perform this one class 5 to 10 times in every hour. So it is depend of the order. Like for example, class 3 seconds, 5 to 10 times in every hour. Depende. Pareha gyapon sa atong gibuhat, no? O sa ganito itong gibuhat nga nag-count tag 5 seconds. Ha? Range of motion exercises, di ba? Range of motion exercises, again, is with order. Who ordered that one? Our orthopedic. Same as this one. Orthopedic ang ato ang kauban ani, no? Or occupational therapy or the physical therapy. Sila atong supervisor or sila ang order persons for this activity. So, first thing first here, measurement of vital sign. If the BP class is very low, what to do? Trendelenburg. Ibig malimot ha, but the contraindication of Trendelenburg position class is intracranial pressure. But kung wala intracranial pressure, go for the Trendelenburg. Pataas ang tiil, dayon, paubos ang ulo, kay arong balik ang dugo paingon sa iyang heart. You call that one venous return. Ha? Then monitor, but report this one. That the client blood pressure is very low and this is called unusuality. So, nanggit na ka. So, unsa may conservative na ito nga allowed is the venous return. So, for example, ang client na ang atong balay, wala inani nga bed, you can perform the filing of bellow. Basta giglas ang iyang body mo recline into 45-degree angle. Okay, so if the blood pressure also is high, taas ang blood pressure, so we are not able to perform. And what to do? Kung taas ang BP siya, ato siyang i-monitor. Then, ask the client for maintenance. Ma'am, do you have maintenance? Did you take your maintenance? Or si client, wala. Okay, so tagaan na to siya maintenance, then rest for 30 minutes. Pag abot sa 30 minutes, monitor every 15. No? So pag balik, in 120/80, report na sad na that the blood pressure returned to normal, then it is the time for you to perform the exercises. So when you perform the quadricep exercises class, you push the knee. Kay aron si popliteal mo flat dito sa base, dito sa mattress. Din kani si heel, imo si client, ma'am, hang your head. Kani ba nga time class, ang ato bang client ani weak? Yes, weak muscle. Or there is a tightness ng gahi. So pwede ba si client ani class mo resist? Yes, our client is very resisting. Emotional reaction to disability is the common problem. Okay, so letter F. Instruct the client to hang the head while you push the knee on the mat. So, i-push na mo ang knee on the mat, then ask the client to hang the head. So, this is how. Miss K, I'll have to push your knee on the mat, then hang your head in 5 seconds. So, let us start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hang. Hang is it. Sige, repeat ha. Sige, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. You are going to assess the client's emotional. Miss K, how did you feel this part? Hawoy daw. So meaning to say class, this part is contracted. How many times in 1 hour? 5 to 10 times. So every hour you have to perform this one class 5 to 10 times. Dili po mo sunod. Nasa usang oras dili na pud ka perform. Usa may tabo ni client, masuko na. May na siya, ha? Kapuya gud ani. Di na siya musugod pagkaugma. Nga naman, pag muscle strain pud di siya diri. Okay. So class, the next is the contractures or your palm on the gluteus. Iyang i-check ni client kung ang iyang bang gluteus karon nag-strengthen ba? Ni-form na ba iyang gluteus? So, imo siya ingnon, ma'am. Let us place this palm on your gluteus. Dito sa iyang gluteus. So, same manner, push the knee to the mat and hang the heel in 5 seconds and 5 to 10 times in every hour. So, in a count of 5 seconds, Miss K, I'll have to push your knee to the mat. So, then, hang your heel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Repeat the procedure. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Repeat the procedure in 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then relax. Assess your client reactions. Miss K, say pamati ni mo sa imong gluteus. Diri ang imong pamati. Si diri kuan ha, diri i-pull ha. Pag push nimo dinhi dapat diri ang imong gi-target ha. Kani mo uban gyud siya every now and then. But let us target this muscle. Sige, Miss K, ako i-push ang imong kuan ha, imong liha. Then hang your heel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Which? Again. Diri. Ni-contract ba? Ni-contract? Ni-gahe ba? Okay. So that is the reactions of the muscles when you push the knee and hang the heel. Diri ang atong gi-target. So this part class is about, nag-start na siya going to strengthen. Nag-develop na ang muscles to strength. So, muna siya ato ang buhaton before nato i-allow si client to stand. So like for example class, you are now in 1 week, you are now in 2 weeks, you are now in 1 month. Makita na ninyo class na kaning muscles din niya sugod-sugod nag-form. So, ma-identify na ninyo si intermedialis, the middle, and the vastus, and the muscles of the hamstring. Atong muscles nga naa sa ato ang popliteal artery. Then class, ang tiyan, nag-abs. Nag-abs na ang tiyan. Then, let us use the dumbbell. So, pagkahuman class, elbow for dumbbell. So, this is the dumbbell. Kani nga dumbbell class, dili ni fit ni Miss A. Kaya 6 pounds ni. Si Miss K, pili mo timbang? 55. Dili pwede si 6 pounds ha. Maybe class ang na may good competition ang mga PT ani. Kung ang iyang timbang naay division, naay kuan competition sila. Kanila akong igamit. Si Sir Salon na iyang timbang 80 man, 6 pounds ang gihatag ni PT. Ha? Sige lang, assist na ako si K. Okay class. First thing first, when you perform the quadricep and gluteus. Ako nilistan ha. Quadricep, then gluteus. Diba? Duha naman ka. Exercise of the gluteus, same manner.
So, B na siya.
Oh, so this is B. Ha? Letter B na ni ha. Nga naman, si quadricep, butang man niya ang force dinhi. Pero si gluteus, asa niya ibutang ang force? Dito na sa iyang butts. And karon, kung sa atong buhaton, para na diri sa iyahang biceps. Kani ba? So, biceps na ta. So, quadriceps. Where is the biceps, class? The muscles in the front of the upper arm. Diri. So, sa itong gamiton para mo strengthen ang biceps? Dumbbells. Importante pa kay si biceps, class, kaya pag tindog niya ana using the crutches, kinanglan na poskan si muscle. Okay. Client class in supine arm position. And hold, assist your client phalanges to hold tightly the dumbbells. So both. Okay. So this is for the muscles of the upper arm. We call this one class quadriceps. Doing 5 seconds, 5 times to 10 times in 1 hour. In a count of 3, let's now perform the flexion. So flex, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Assist lang sa kay basig matagat ni paingon siyang naong. Okay, ma-weaken ang iyang phalanges. Okay, this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Strengthen. And extend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is only flexion and extension of the elbow. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex. Assess. Basta niya mabuyan. Then, tanaw ni mo dias class. Nag-contract ba si biceps? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat 5 to 10 times in every hour. So there, mga 3 weeks or 4 weeks class, this part class mag-kapit na, no? And this is the time class na you can, no, justify that our client class able to hold the hand grip of the crutch. Okay, diri man na siya mo hold class. Diri. Okay, so now, let's move to the other materials. So, elbow core using dumbbell, manual resistance, then push, while curl position for the triceps, o yan na, squeeze and phalanges. So, exercises of the hands and phalanges, letter
C.
So, what is the materials? Stress ball. Where is the stress ball? How do our client use the stress ball? So offer the ball, edge of the hand and phalanges, then iyan is stress. So how to do the stress? Pumutol bina niya ayaw, huh? 5 seconds as well. So do the squeezing of your phalanges to the ball. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, squeeze. Squeeze.
5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, and hold. Repeat 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, and hold. So, how many times? 5 to 10 times in 1 hour. This is for our hands and our phalanges. So, this is to contract our hands and our phalanges. So, sige siya balik-balik. Then, it's the time na pag tindog niya using the crutch, no? Maka-hold siya properly siya unhold. Because the phalanges now and the hands last are ready to hold the hand grip. Next is the curl up abdominal wall. Okay, so abdominal wall nasa the class. Anong ikinanglan nato ang abdominal wall class? Abdomen for abdominal wall. Kasi buhaton niya class is to curls it up. Position the elbow, curl. Position the knee, flex. So, knee and hip is flex. Na. Flex. Then, spread minimal spread. Okay, say buhaton ni client class. Kini si elbow, i-reach niya sa iyahang knee. I-try na to, ma-reach ba niya class ha? Okay. So same manners, in a count of 5 seconds, you have to exercise the abdomen. So ato ni siya ipagahi. No, this is for our abdominal wall, or it is the muscles of our abdomen. Okay? Same. Caregiver assess that back. Okay. In a count of 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Cannot be. Ha? Okay. Then, return to neutral position. Same. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you encourage. Ha? Cannot be. And repeat the procedures 5 to 10 times in every hour. Until sa style class, very flexible na niya ang muscles diri. Karon lang gahit gud kayo ni. Because basta may naitabo, busog pod. Pero si Chico, you can reach until here. Dili ka kaya. Class, if you can reach, I think si Miss Steph. Gamay di kay kag muscles. You can reach. Ha? Be, reach, be. Step, be. Sige. Sige, reach. Hinay lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold this step. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sige, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sige, flex. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex ha. Sige, diri pa yun. Okay, sige. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay ka na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. 5, 4. Reach good niya. Ha? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hinay-hinay kay mong spine. Sige. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Sige. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. So, kung gamay na yung kagdaan dire, you can make it. So, class, did you know that these exercises, class, are very exhausted yun. The plantar class, imo siyang i-position. Then class, the arm to the side. Ang target nato si kaniman. Diba? Kaniman atong target. Then, ipa-push up nato si client. Okay, na count of 3, caregiver, stay here. And na count of 3, push your palm to the mat. Then hang your trunk. Push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay po, maka-push up. Why not? And, going to neutral. Nahinay lang, no? Then, again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, down. So, kana atong 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 class, muna siya ay ang pag-hold sa strength, ha? Then, down. How many times? 5 to 10 times in 1 hour. Ha? Pwede po magluhod. Depende. Basta kay target na to si
Sige daw, luhod daw.
sige kami. Luhod.
Sige.
Sige, balik. Ana-ana. Okay. Okay.
Ubus, ang tanong ubus mo pa buwan. Hindi na tayo may flexing mo ito.
Triceps lang. Triceps lang imong flex. Ini.
Okay. Good. So, basta class, any position that target
May
in
exercise sa
the
tricep.
tricep. Basta
Siguro triceps. Ligda na. Tricep.
Ay, kasi mahulog to siya.
Ano pala sa dagboy?
Sige, pwede ka.
Ano
Ha?
pala sa dagboy?
Basta class.
Nga, David Mabuyan.
Basta class ha, pag tricep yun. Any good.
Ibo na yun, no?
Kung sa imong gusto, basta kato si triceps ang maigo. Ha? So, ingon ni Chico, inato, any. Basta, the target muscles is the triceps. Okay.
Hindi mo yung tricep.
Shoulder.
Ang gluteus, asa na ko tawag?
Wala mo man itong biceps.
Ang biceps.
Katong gluteus, gaps. Hindi mo man itong gikuan, di ba?
Gluteus. Kato bitong ibutang ni Miss K.
Sampot.
Yan na niyang glut.
Okay.
Dito niya feel kung kato ba dito nga.
Quadriceps, biceps. din.
Kabalo naman mo ba? Sitting.
So, sila.
Dire. lying sitting. Kabalo na ta ha? So our client now in the sitting position. So what to do class para mo strengthen ang dinding nga muscle? The palm on the mat. Then this class atong ipahang while you are supporting the knee. So yun mo, push this palm on the mat, hang your pelvic in 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ha? Okay. Di niya madaog. Foam ang good di. Ayaw itong foam ha. Itong bangko. Taloy. Try na to. Pero class kani magud siya nga bangko kay pangit po.
Okay, anak siya.
Kailangan siya flat
Dapat
ha.
level.
Okay, 5. Sige. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, slowly. Repeat 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, slowly. So, feeling niyo mo?
Dari mo.
Yes, that is for the shoulder girdles. If possible, class, if our client class is very cooperative, ma-reach yun na ito atong outcome. So, muna siya imong iingon sa iya, ma'am, these exercises, next class, we all know that mo hinay-hinay yun siya o ka-decrease ang BP. Na, pagkahumanan ng atong exercises lang, mo strengthen man ang atong blood vessels, then mo ubos atong blood pressure. Did you notice? Nga pagbuha ninyo sa sinugdanan, dili ang iyang blood pressure pinana. Then pagbuha na itong exercise, ang blood pressure i-decrease. Did you notice sa inyong range of motion? Okay. So number 10, and number 11, documentation and recording. So, documentation and recording. So, recording class about the observation and about the management. So, what are the observation that you are experience? So, pwede ito depende lang nimo sa imo mga na-observe. In your management, kung sa ipangbuhat nimo based on the observation. And now, class, any unusualities, niubos pag-ayo ang BP, so that is unusualities. Itaas pag-ayo ang BP, and that is unusualities. Si client, ma'am, ganisod o ginhawa, that is unusualities. Na may mga certain, ma'am, na accident na naglisod o ginhawa si client, yes, na yung mga inaanak class. No? Nga pag-start mo sa mga exercises, nihango si client, that is feeling of distress. Distress. Okay? Then class, 12, 13, 14. So this is about the doing of aftercare. Tanan ng mga gipanggamit nato kalat ibalik sa butanganan, the doping of the PPA, and the performing of hand washing. So now, let's proceed to the crutch stance. Same manner class, ambulation, assistive and adaptive device. We are now into crutch stance. So, dili na si Kay. No, nilingkod na ba si Kay karon? Ana siya sa bed. The bed. So, letter E, measurement of BP. Before give nato siya ipatakaw class, very important to check the blood pressure, check the circulations and the functions of our heart. So letter A. Then now class, letter B, you are going to assess the crutch. So si client is, na yung height, mistake? 5. 5? Okay, sige, bitaw na. Ito na ba 5 delivery? Ito mistake. So walay 5 class. Eh atong crutch 5'2". No? 5'2" si crutch. So usahin mo siya pag-check. So nadini ang ato ang height na daw. So kani si crutch class maabot pa gyud ning 5'10". Pero height mo si Chico 5'6" ka. So naka diri. Nara. So si K 5 daw siya. So dili wala siya diri. Ato ibalik into 5 ha. 5'2". Kasi 5'2".
Ako.
5'2". So, next si 5'2". Then, same parihag din siya class. Ibalik na to sa kanila, oh. Press. Kanila nga. Oh. Then, okay. So, let us name the parts. Kani siya class, muna si perol. Or you call this one class rubber, rubber. Pero sa ato ang kuan ani, perol ni sa ako ang nalin siya. Then this is class the height adjustment. And this is class the adjustment of your arm. So height adjustment, arm adjustment. Then this is class the pad for our axilla. So this is axillary pad. Kani si pad class, so imo siyang i-remove, plastic ang ilalong. So imo siya butangan. So axillary pad. Si auxiliary pad class is 2 finger breadth, muna siya cross stance, 2 finger breadth sa imuhang ilok. Ngano man, atong ilok class na adin gitawag nga plexus nerve. Kana si plexus nerve, kung matrauma na siya, mag-paralyze na, di na siya makasense of any pain. So to prevent that plexus nerve for paralysis, ato siyang i-protect nga imong arm mo curve siya dinhi sa hand grip 25 degree curve. Did you see? So this is the hand grip. This is the auxiliary pad. Kini class mo di siya atong height sa arm. So kung inana imong arm di pwede, inanan siya naka flex into 25 angle to prevent the plexus nerve. Di siya maigo sa inyong pad. Kaya kung imo siya istriton, anak ka. Ba? So, nakaana siya. And your leg is in widen. Wide. This is to balance. So, may tabuan ni, pag tindog ni K, si crutch is the first stance, ang iyang body is the second stance, and ang katong wall, nga dito siya nitindog is the third stance. So, muna siya nitawag tripod position. So, first, dinhi, position the client after you measure the BP, position the client in tripod stance. So, this is the stand. Then, use your crutch. Muna siyang crutch stance, ha? The crutch class is in the side of the small two. Naka siya din nakabutang. This is 5 to 6 centimeters. So, 5 to 6 centimeters. Anak. So, ako, si wall o si crutch is called tripod. Anak na. Okay. Then, the 2 finger between the axilla and the pad is also provided. And the flexion of the elbow. No? Inana si client. So, una yung position. And now, class, you're going to test. So, this is letter B. Test the client for stability. Saan mo naman pag-test? Okay, ma'am, let's move to the right. Puna siya sa wall, ha? Let's move to the left. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the right. Ipainaanak-anak ni mo si client. This is to test the balance. Kung si client ba karon class is in good balance. Okay, so this is 6 to 10 centimeter. Dili inches, ha? 6 to 10 centimeters behind the small 2. Diya ko na sa imong small 2, ibutang ang 6 to 10. So this is the position. Anatomical position. Di natin ipakulo. Kaya kumukulo siya class ka ni, maigo sa iyahang diri. Breast biya ni. Kung babae, niya rib ni siya class. Kung sige siya kaigo, there's a possibility of trauma. So, nakaana si client. Hold the phalanges into the hand grip properly. So, sa kanya pag-hold, kini siya naka-abduct. And all the phalanges class is flexed to the hand grip, ana. Okay, asa si caregiver, ani? Stay at the back. Okay, alik this way. Pausa na ito. Ito imong gamay. This is the small one. Pasig pa rin yung parang kay. Wala din siya yung mga number class. Kaya ako rin yung i-fake. Iputong lang ako para sa mga mupo. Dili lang ka mag-adjust. So like si Kay, kay kuan man siya, 5 man. Ato aning i-adjust gamay. Pabiran ato. So maybe this is 5. May alik hindi. Walang gamay. That is 25. 2 finger. Gamay din.
Wow, nag-crunch siya sa mga mo.
Oh, tangan ako sila. Oh, gitla na ko itong uban niya.
Muli kay. Wow.
Okay. Okay, same. No? So, front stance. Okay, this is how you do. Front stance. Measurement of blood pressure is already performed while the client is sitting on the bed. As the client sa bed. Now, class, we're going to perform the tripod position. This spiral class into the small finger side. Then this leg class is widen. Nakabika. This class, 2 finger in the axilla. So, mo siyang i-test. Okay, 2 finger. Then elbow is flex 25-degree angle. Both. And class, check kung ang yang phalanges class is into the hand grip properly. Then class, this one, check. And also class, the other one is also check. In case class, basin o wala na lock ang bolt and the nuts. And also class, this one, wala ba siya kaniyang habis na bitaw class. Like for example, class, this one, dili na ni pwede ha. Kaya na, damage na. Kinanglan atong gamiton is
Pantay.
okay. Nga naman, pagduot anak class, kani siya mo vacuum. Dili siya maligyas, ha? That is why class, be careful, the assistive and adaptive device before you use it. Okay? Now, this is the crutch stance. So, that's inyong hand-out class, makita ninyo. Have the patient wear a fitting shoe. So, si client kuno naka-fitting shoe. Pwede ba ito akong itudlo sa inyong class? The jogging pants. Ito yung attire for the sports. Pwede ba ito? Okay, that is one of our client's self-esteem motivation. No? Sunod, class. The crutch should be fitted with the rubber suction tip. Okay. Rubber suction tip. Pirol or rubber suction tip. Ha? Pirol or rubber suction tip. Height adjustment, arm adjustment, hand grip, and auxiliary pad. Wala siya ang part nito. Crutch. Then class, stand by a chair on the unaffected leg to achieve the balance. So, atong buhaton karon class ang paralysis. Di ba na-assist the client for weakness, for contracture, for paralysis. Nara? Weakness, contracture, tightness, and paralysis. Karon class, ang atong gamiton is weakness. So, ingon si instruction for crutch stance, ang unaffected ni Kate is the right. So, muli ang unaffected. Ang affected niya is the left. So, kani i-cook him. Okay ka na. Dato ni siya utangan ng indicator class. So, This is the, muna indicating na nato ni ha, nga mo ni siya imong leg nga na ay weakness.
Mga page materials needed.
Ha? Wala ni siya appeal.
Verification.
Ha? Verification?
Yeah, verification.
Kaya mo man atong i-consider class. Okay, so assuming class mo ni weak ni Kate ang left. So diri atong bantayan, ha? Kaya mo ni siya ma-damage most of the time. So kini si unaffected kini dito nato ni ibutang ang bangko. Okay, hold the chair and this. Okay, so hold sa diha. Okay. Then Sunday. So wait ba ni class, ha? Unaffected, this one, this is affected, and this is the chair. So chair, the wall, no? Chair, the wall, and it is 3. This is again 3 tripod position. So naka-tripod ba si Kay? Yes. Ganina, naka-tripod yapon siya for the 2 crutch. Ayan, gihuwiran. The body and the wall is called tripod position. So, i-test the Kate of okay ba siya. So, what to do? Hold the crutch. Isa na ka crutch, Kate. Dili. Okay. Go in here. Payon diri. Ikaw test. Okay. Nana siya. Ha? Test lang niya. So, mailhanan niya class kay nga naman. Di naman siya malipong. Before we go for our walk, gait pattern, kailangan si gait, dili malipong. At kung malipong siya, sit on the chair. Sit sa bangko. Ma'am, di pa na ako kaya, malipong ko, kaya this is my first day. Okay, sit the chair.
Kaya mo yan.
Okay. Then, magunahuna man na siya. Iya man ang i-develop ang iyahang emotional stability. Kailangan di ko matindog. I need to fight. And siya, ma'am, stand ako. Okay, so crutch stance again. Hatag ang crutch. So, crutch stance, gait pattern. Ha? So, in gait pattern, we should have to use a gait belt. Bata na nimo gait belt. So, 2-finger breath. Mabuti ay nitake. Dili na ito i-adjust, ha? Kaya siya itong i-adjust. Ano na? Ang yung ribs gas is free. Pag tindog niya, diri ka. Pag tindog niya, diri na sad ka. Ha?
Sa likod ka.
Sa likod ka, ani. Okay, this is the best. 2-finger breath. Kaya nalili kay sakit sa iyang ribs. Okay. So, proceed to gait pattern. So, first point gait pattern. First pattern class is 4-point gait. Okay, so no more measurement. So this is about the sequence, ha? Hindi na ito mag-measurement, sequence na ito. So, pakala na ito si Pangko. Wala yung barrier na makita, ha? Sample you're in your house, should be walay barrier. And caregiver, be ready for this situation because the client now going to ambulate mo, lakaw na ni siya, mutindog na with your support, client support, assistive, and adaptive. So this is the support, the assistive, and the adaptive. That 4-5 height ni Kay, and our class is into this position. So 25 angle. The pad is 2-finger breath. In the crotch last is 6 inches o centimeters behind. Nana ako siya. So, with that kit ha, pwede ka mo walk, pero hinay ang iyang leg. So, okay. 4.8 pattern. So, meaning to si class, ang tanan niya mga leg naka-point. But class, we have to consider first the affected and unaffected. So, okay, listen kid. Stand straight. Ay, utang dirihan natin ang straight ha. So, this is the weaker. Iuna na to si crotch. So, right crotch first, forward, followed by the weaker leg. Sunod. Left crotch forward, followed by the unaffected. Okay, stand straight here. Caregiver stands at the back. Inisilip di mo class na listunga. Okay. Di, anak ke, naka-straight body ka. Ay, pagkuan ka, balipong ka kumang. Sige. Right crotch first, forward. Followed by the weaker leg. Okay. Crotch, left, forward. Followed by the good leg. Pila ka pattern ang nakita mo?
4.
Wow, okay, very good. Understand. This is the 4.8. Okay? Forward, right crotch. Followed by the affected. Left crotch. Followed by the unaffected. Okay, stand straight, kid. Suddenly, the client class feel dizzy
Dizzy.
na lipong. Ayaw katarantay siya, ma'am, lipong ko ma'am, di na ko kaya. Okay. Fold your body to my body. Biraha. Imo rin siya inan. Flexion knee. Slide your crotch. Flexion knee. Slide your crotch mo. Likod ka kay. Slide yung crotch. Okay. Flexion knee. Likod likod sa salog. Sige, likod. Okay. Pero kani siya, maka-straight man na. Straight imong leg. Anak. Ha? Naakalan sa likod. Kani imong ni ayaw ibutang sa iyahang batak. Ipa-slide siya sa imong balik.
Sa gitbelt, dahil pamahawid.
Then ikaw rin sa gitbelt ka mamawid. Then do your body mechanics.
Pa-slide mo siya sa iyong legs.
Kaya nga ng class na mataranta ka, ay tabang! Mapanik. Ikaw po nawala imuhang concentration. Dili magpataranta. Because there is a support. Ikaw o ang crutch. So si crutch, pa-slide lang, pak, inay. And dili mabundak ang pelvic bone. And wala yung mahitabo ang aksidente. Kaya nangita ganit yung pamaagi, nag-exercise ganit mo, kaya lang, ipong man siya. Because this is the circulation. This is the first time to ambulate. Diba? So that is why we have to stand in a 4.8 pattern. So this is gate pattern using the 4.8. So first is move, crotch forward, followed by the wick. Dinana sila, nakasta na. Then, move the forwards left, followed by the good. So, maguna yung lakaw ang ato ang wick. Understand? Okay, sige. Go ahead, Miss Kate. Tindog na. Okay. Sige. Hindi kayo mong pivot ah. Straight body. Dili ka sa ito nga ha. Nakadiri ha. Okay. Sige. 4.8. Crotch first. Right. Followed by the weaker leg. Left crotch. Followed by the good leg. Then mo liko ha. Mo pivot man si Kate. Okay. Moro gyapon nga pamaagi. This first forward, liko, then the weaker, and then this one, liko, then followed by the good.
Good.
Good. Kalima, nag-move. And this one, nana, then, kini, then kani. Sige. Okay. Dili, anak ni. Kini. I-move ni. Kayon sa forward. Okay. Then, kanina sa forward. Then, pivot.
Bali-bali.
Okay. Then, kani, mo. Okay. Then, kanina sa. Okay. So class, same ra ang atong pag-move ha. Ikaw lang ang mag-adjust sa imong crunch. Okay. Okay. Walk. Okay. Okay. Kani. Okay. Then, move. Kani. Okay. Then, kani. Sige, move forward. Okay. Palud ani. Then, move forward ni. Palud ni. Okay. And then, kani, forward. Palud ani. Then, forward ni. Palud ani. Okay. Forward na sa ni. Palud ani. Then, kani, ibalik. Then, kani, forward. Okay. Then, kani, forward. Then, kani, ibalik dito. Okay. Then, kani. Then, kani, i-move. Then, kani, i-move. So, nakabalik ka. This is about the 4-point gate. Then, move to the 2-point gate. Pattern. So how to do the 4-point gate? A 2-point gate. So this is about the 2. Huh? The sequence class are same manner. Crotch stance, tanan nga, ibuhat na to antong ganina, kung pag-test, and use the 2-point gate. So si 2-point gate class, kung ganina, nagamit ka and karon with. Ha? Okay. So this is the weaker. So crotch with. Dungan. Okay. Simultaneous. Crotch with. Okay. That is the 2-point gate. Then good. Dungan. Okay. Murag kagala ka okay. Okay. Good. That is 2-point gate. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Nga nung may tag 2-point gate. Class. This crotch and the wing, these crotch are going to move. Muna siya naka 2-point gate. No? So pag pivot, same manner, the crotch and the wing. No? The crotch and the good. So, sige. Okay? Imagine lang. Okay. Okay. So, simultaneous, dungan. Okay. Sige. Then, okay. Sige, alsa. Kani, ang kani.
Dungan.
Okay, liko. Okay. Then, kani, kani, imo. Para makaliko. Very good. Okay. So, pwede siya may pagkas. Ayun. Na naman, dungan o alsa. So, caregiver, stay in the back. Ayaw pag palayo because in case of fall or dizziness. So next is the 3-point gate.
Para sa ang 2-point gate,
Ha? Kato, weak lagi. Weak lagi dahil isa. Na, karon makita nato sa 3-point gate nga naumit ang isa ka leg. So 3-point gate.
C na na, ha?
Oh, sina ni.
D na rin na, ma'am.
Ha?
D na.
Di na? Tamo na pag-adjust, ha? The 3-point gate are this one. Na siya tulo ka, partial and full. May ito si class, nagtigki ni, no? Very weak. Maybe class due to the problem of fractures and si Paul, putol din siya. This is totally absent. So si Paul class is mono. Okay, mono. So this is class, mono man siya tanan, kaya lang kani siya class, no? Maybe mo pagka-fracture. So, tanaw na to karon nga gitawag siya 3-point gate. Step 8. So same crotch stance. So sa tong crotch stance, stay in the wall. Then Provide a tripod position. Then test 1. Move 2. Nana, test mo. Then, crutch in the 6 inches behind the small finger. Elbow in 25-degree flex. And the auxiliary pad is 2 finger. Mo na siya with ang sugod permanente nato every now and again pattern. Okay. Let's now in tip 2. So tip 2 forward at tip 2 ani. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Cross forward and tip 2. Sige. Tip 2, itingkit. Okay, good. Then move. Sige, tip 2 and crutch. Okay. Tip 2 and crutch. Stop. Okay. Tip 2 and crutch. Okay. Tip 2 and crutch. Tip 2 and crutch. So, liko. Sayang dra. Una si tip 2 pivot. Okay. Tip 2 pivot. Tip 2 pivot. Okay. Then walk. Straight. Okay. Say straight. Okay. Now, partial. So, wala anak niya. Yan sikat. So, kani siya, hit. Okay. Sikat. Ha? Ano? Ayaw doon. Sikat lang. Ano? Same. 3 hit pattern. Sige. Crutch and partial. Crutches, partial. Dungan mo na silang tulo. Crutches, partial. Then, crutches, partial. Crutches, partial. Same manner pag pivot, tuyok. Okay. Sayo na siya, pero bugat sa kamot. Kaya nga naman, all of your body weight class fall in your arm. Dili ang weight. So, pull. Flex na lang din. So, flex. Kani, putol na din yung class. Ha? This is amputated. Okay. So, crutch and pull. Okay. Crutch, pull. Wala na kayo na. Di na yun na siya ni mo makasaligan. Wala na yung makapupo because it is already absent or amputated. Okay? Same. In your pivot, reverse, stay in the back throughout the practice. Okay, good. Woo. And next is the swing pattern. You call this one class tripod gates. Tripod gates. Ina. Adjust ninyo ha. So, sa tripod class is naay-duha. Swing to and through. Ha? Swing to and swing through. Say buhaton. Drag the foot to the crutch. Drag the foot, so tripod. 1, 2, ba? 1, 2, then 3. Muna siya ito ang tripod. Forward 2 crutches. Forward. Then drag your whole leg. Drag. Saguyod.
Saguyod. Idungan ang duha. Saguyod ba?
Anak ka.
Dili, dungan ang duha. Murag i-drag ba?
Una, anak ka, di ba? Front stance. 2, 6 inches or centimeters behind the small toe. Then straight body. Flex 25 degree. Move this crutch forward. Pop. Then drag. Crutch, then Saguyod ba na? Okay, saguyod. Saguyod within the front. Okay, na siya. Okay.
Nalingaw na siya.
Diba? That is swing 2. This one.
Kaya pag ikaw, ma'am.
Okay. Liko lang. Sa'yo lang. Kada rin yung branch A maneuver. Ayun lang, ha? Under sa sign class na, wala na kaani. Siya na lang pag-perform. Magamit na niya pag-toothbrush, pag-aligo, pag-food. Tanan activity is to the assistive and adaptive device. Now, swing through. Ibilin ang crutch, then i-move ang body. Diyan. Sige. Bilin ang crutch, then asaha imong body swing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then, okay. Within the body. Okay, then, swing. Then, swing. Dali kay ni class. Kaya lang, medyo siya may pagka-dangerous.
Oh, delikado siya, ma'am. Kaya ma-slide.
Kanina mo
Ma-slide ang kuwan.
suction tip mo imong bantayan, ha? Kay hadlo kay siya suction tip kung mahilis, bigyas man ang imong suction. Sige yan. Ibilin. Ayaw. Bilin ang crutch, then swing ang body. Bilin ang crutch, swing ang body. Bilin ang crutch, swing ang body.
Okay.
Ingon nila, magmerkado daw ka, ani. Nandaghan daw kuno kaing tao. So gusto ka mag-una. Para ka ganagandagan lang, ha? Kaya anak-anak ka ang class up. Gamay man kayong dalan, di ba? Dili naman na. Ha? Nagamay kayong dalan. Dini gid mo force na. Dili. Dili ha? Kana. So katong mag-tip 2. Tara. Nagid kong force sa kamot, ha? Nagid. So, kung partial, anak ka. Usahay bitaw class nga ang imong prosthesis mo ko'y pagtaon. Yan, maguna-una ako ka. Ano man ako kung prosthesis? So, kani sa mga ganito. Pero putol na gid niya, wala lagi manghimo. Dili ka perminti sa inyo. Kamo. So, ay pagdungo kay, dili lagi ko. Anak ka, ha? Force imo. So that is why class, be careful sa tong hand grip. Nga si hand grip class nakalak. Aron nga di ka ma-discrasya diri. So si Chico, you can use this one. Because this is until 5'10" and dili mag-matter sa atong weight. Kani siya standard. And this is made up of alloy. Hindi siya basta-basta mabalik. Okay? So that is the gate pattern. So how many gate pattern we have? 4-point gate, 2-point gate, 3-point gate. Pero si 3-point gate na siya mga sub. No? The sub is kept to
Partial pull.
partial and pull. Then tripod, na po siya mga sub, swing to,
Swing
and
through.
swing to. So sa swing to, iuna si crutch, then mga saguyod. Maybe class, ini siya nga part is very weak. Or there is a problem. No? Nga, di pa mo siya madala o patindong. So most of the strength nasa arm. So that is why if you look at it, the person using the crutch class, na sila'y broader shoulder. Then gagmay ka sila abdomen. No? Mudag ko ilang upper extremities. Because most of the strength class, muscle contracting most of the time in upper parts. Yeah, class, pag assist na to ani, you do the talking. Ikaw ang mag-do the sequence. So, 4-point gate is, no? The crutch stance, 6 centimeters behind the small toe and widen your foot. Then class, elbow is flexed, 25-degree angle in your hand grip. And the crutch pad is toe finger breadth. Muna siyang stance. Then now, position the 4-point gait pattern. So, 4-point gait, affected and affected. So, crutch, affected. Then, upat ba? Then, crutch, unaffected. So, that is 4-point gait. The 2-point gait class is dungan. Crutch, dungan, crutch, affected, crutch, unaffected. Mura ka galakaw? So, na 3-point gait, sayon ra. Na isa, tulo. Puwen. So, crutch, puwen. Tip 2. Then, dito doon ka mag-hold sa imuhang 100. Then, sa partial A, okay. Then, same manner, huwag yapon to. No? Wala ka naka-touch. Dito ka sa imong 100 mo, depend. So, dili ka magtungo. Okay, mo na yung practice. You have to stand upright. At ang imong weight mo fall dito sa imong kamot, dili sa imong ilog. And most of the time nga maigo imong ilog, anang atong plexus nerve maparalyze na. So si may tabo, walay sensation imong ilog. No? Unya, mag-callus formation na diha. So, strong. No? More stronger ang imong paggamit. Okay, so what is the time? 12 noon, balik ta for maneuvering. Maneuver going up, maneuver going